Guys, what is this? Is this like a monarch caterpillar or something? I haven't seen a caterpillar this big in a long time. And now there's two of them and they look like they're like fighting. These are hornworms. And well, I think they're called like tomato hornworms. I just did a quick lookup of it. And basically they'll devastate my tomato plants if I don't get rid of them. So I have a special mission. I'm going to have to collect these and just place them somewhere far away from here so they don't destroy my plants. I might see what can be done to keep them as pets and let one of my nieces have one as a pet or something. But for now, I got to get these guys and like move them far away from my yard. Alright, so luckily, one of them recommended ways to get rid of them is to simply pick them off the plants and relocate them far away from the garden. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to find every one that I can and just take them out someplace real far away and maybe let one of my nieces keep one. Alright, so I asked my niece and she said she wanted to keep all three of them as a pet. I couldn't find any more. So what I just did here is I gave them some prunings from some of my tomato plants. And this way she could have a cool little pet.